Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefits rose from 223,000 to 243,000 in the week ending July 13. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company reported that revenue for its second quarter increased 40.1% from a year ago. TSMC's chairman and CEO C.C. Wei said during the conference call, quote, "The demand is so high, I had to work very hard to meet my customers' demand. We continue to increase," end quote. 10-year Treasury yield is hovering around 4.21% this week, a mixed economic data. S&P 500 fell 0.78% as the recent economic data signaled the U.S. economy is cooling. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefits rose from 223,000 to 243,000 in the week ending July 13th. The number of Americans who received benefits after an initial week of aid increased from 1,847,000 to 1,867,000 in the week ending July 6th. So we can see the U.S. initial jobless claims have been on an uptrend since January 2024. In addition, the U.S. continuing jobless claims are at the highest level since November 2021. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company beat on the top and bottom line in its second quarter. The company reported on Thursday 673.5 new Taiwan dollars of revenue, up 40.1% from the previous year, and 247.9 billion new Taiwan dollars of net income, up 36.3% year-over-year. For its third quarter guidance, TSMC expected it to be between $22.4 billion to $23.2 billion of revenue. But the shares of TSMC rose only 0.39% on Thursday after its earnings call, because recent economic data signaled the U.S. economy is cooling, and the shares of TSMC rose more than 60% this year. TSMC chairman and CEO C.C. Wei said during the conference call, quote, "I also tried to reach the supply and demand balance, but I cannot today. The demand is so high, I had to work very hard to meet my customers' demand. We continue to increase. I hope sometime in 2025 or 2026 I can reach the balance. The supply continued to be very tight all the way, and how we can be eased in 2026. That's today's situation." 10-year Treasury yield has been just hovering around 4.21% this week because recent economic data were mixed. PPI numbers on last Friday were higher than expected, but not too strong. U.S. retail sales and import prices on Tuesday signal that the U.S. economy is cooling off. Housing starts and industrial production on Wednesday came in stronger than expected. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 fell 0.78% as U.S. labor market and inflation are cooling, while S&P 500 rose over 16% this year. The tech-heavy Nasdaq lost 0.7%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average tumbled 1.29%. This is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.